Buckle up for the success ride of your life. The information in this video has positively changed the lives of thousands upon thousands of individuals already. Individuals that are experiencing a lifestyle that is beyond their wildest dreams. Are you ready to join these individuals and enjoy more time and all the money you won? Break free of the daily grind. Live life as you always dreamed it could be. The program we present today in this video is powerful. The program we present today is proven, but it'll only work for you if you join us today. Studies have shown that individuals that own their own businesses earn significantly more than those that work for the man. Let's face it, the daily 9-to-5 grind of the rat race will do nothing but make you old before your time and tired beyond your years. A great way to start a home business is by joining a business opportunity program. A business opportunity program is a truly turnkey approach to starting a business, as you literally open the door with a key and start generating a profit. The main challenge of joining a home-based business program is finding the right program to join. One that works and works all the time with very little work from its members. After all, you are trying to escape the drudgery and still generate a huge revenue. We have a proven, established, lucrative program that requires very little work and yet can generate a significant amount of income if you are committed to it. We have a program that has freed our members from the drudgery of their lives and given them the lifestyle of their dreams. We are an established company with a proven track record of success. We train you thoroughly in the methods of operating this business that we have tested ourselves, so they are proven to work. We provide everything: training, mentoring, and marketing tools. We constantly make sure that you will succeed if you want to succeed. We do most of the work for you, in fact. All you need to do is follow a few simple instructions, and we coach and train you every step of the way. Our program leaves nothing to chance, and there is practically no risk. We provide all the tools you need, and there is minimal selling required. You don't have to be the salesperson of the century to be a success with our program. You are never alone in our program, as we are right behind you every step of the way. This program is great for everyone: housewives, students, retirees. You need no experience. Our training is so complete, so thorough, that anyone, anywhere, no matter what their background, educational experience, or training, can be as successful as they desire. But you must have the desire. Do you have the desire to take the next step? Are you willing to join us now and see how great your life can be? It has to be up to you. You and only you can make the changes in your life you know you need to make, and that is by joining our program today. Stop waiting for success to find you. It's here today, right here and right now, but only if you accept it. Join us now and let us lead you towards the success you deserve.